What is going on, guys? We have a car full right now today. Max, Braden, Kyle, and okay, Jelly Bell. Ciao. Chows. She's out. Oh, there she is. Hi, Chow. What's up now? Why are you waking me up? We are making our way to Ponderosa Campground, and we're gonna have a lot of exciting things to do. We got a cabin. We're gonna check out the campground. We used to go to this campground a lot back in the day. We haven't gone in a while, but it's called Ponderosa Campground. It's consistently rated one of the top campgrounds in that area, down the shore area, and it's gonna be exciting. The boardwalk has a big, huge country festival going on. We are not participating in that. And Moe's Tavern is opening up, and we are huge Simpsons fans in this family, so we want to check that out on the Wildwood Boardwalk. It's a pop-up. But I'm gonna get back to you when we get to the campground.
Let's go FTV.
Why do you wait to turn before you come in here? Should've started turning. Like, this is it. This was spacious. Got a fridge and microwave, beds, big bed. It's more spacious than I thought. Dogs are coming to see their home away from home for a little while. Okay. Kyle called the bottom. Yeah. We're here. We're in our cabin. We are full. You see how full? We gotta get it all out. Alright, we are fully set up. Get. My mom's, Braden, Kyle. That's here. I don't know where to put the dog crate. I'll put it here somewhere. I finally brought this game, and I think we're finally going to play. Connect 4 shots. I set up here because sad news is I couldn't get the fire started. There's no, we have no fire starters, so we're gonna have to have a fire tomorrow. It's late anyways. So, Connect 4 shots. Some family games it is. Me and Braden are going first, and then the winner of that will battle either Kyle or Mom. We'll see. And we got a winner. Bray won. Bray's gonna verse Mom. I'll check back in later when we either got a tiebreaker or somebody wins. Let's go. Mom got 4 in a row. Go. Oh. That's it. Mom's the champ. Mom is the champ. Guys, it is 3 a.m. in the morning. We are still partying, still having fun. Kind of. We got some party poopers. Boom. She was a party pooper a second ago, but now she looks like she's alive. Boom. Party pooper. Max. Life of the party. Right? Right, Max? Right, Max? Right? Yeah. Brayden? He's meh.
What?
See? Show dog. Look at that. Look at that.
Right?
He doesn't care. He knows it's action. Yeah. Yeah. Good dog.
Shelly's like, I want to go to bed.
Let me see Shelly.
I could last longer than Max.
You didn't. What if I shine a light in your eyes?
Because he stopped.
Are you gonna jump at the camera and say hi?
Hi.
I'm gonna clock out now. We'll see you tomorrow.
Come here, boy.
This is the cabin today. I'm gonna take a walk to the bathroom. Cabin area is pretty cool, and the bathrooms are just right here. They're very nice. Campsite has a little bit of everything except the jump pad. Yeah. Doesn't look like they do food. Bike rental.
Morning.
Morning. I smell it, Mama. Oh yeah. Coffee. You learn. Damn, smells so good. Brayden's still not up?
Oi.
That smell doesn't wake you up? Huh? That smell doesn't wake you up?
Sure. Sure. You know.
I'm gonna make you laugh. Look who we got up! Mac. Play dead? Play dead. Play dead. No, that's spin. Play dead. It's too quick.
Gets up so quick.
Oh my
Like,
god.
what's
Chill.
going on over here?
That's like smell. Chelsea, sit. Chelsea, sit.
Aw,
Good girl. Spin. 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 Sit pretty. Yeah. Play dead. Why does he just do the bounce? Play dead. Play dead.
Not a question.
Mom wants to take a picture and do a family photo in front of the cabin. Alright, now we are getting ready to go to the pool. Swimming a little bit. We're gonna go to Harpoons on the bay for sunset. Alright, so a little update. We left Harpoons. There's empty tables everywhere. I don't think they have enough servers. They weren't getting to people. We were still waiting, and so we're like, you know what? Let's go to one of our favorite places in Cape May since we're there. And it's Seaview Inn. We left Harpoons. Like I said, service was very slow. It took forever to get called for a table. We already left when they finally called us.
Our food would have taken forever to get there.
Seaview was right around there, and we're like, you know what? They have really good food, wings, everything. Let's just go. We saw the sunset. Sunset is the greatest spot to watch at Harpoons on the Bay. Unfortunately, we waited almost an hour and still didn't get called for a table, so we had to leave. We went to Seaview, and the food did not disappoint, and it was probably a fraction of the price of Harpoons. So now we're done with the fire. We were talking about ghost stories. Mom has some crazy one.
You're biting me? No.
About a ghost that walks up and down the hall. Anyways.
Have to remind
What, Ray?
Did you have to remind me?
Yes. And we had a great night. Watching the fire burn. And I had a fire going high. I had a high fire.
Yellow colors, like yellow, red, orange. And this also turns to purple, right?
This is millions of colors.
Not prominent colors.
Brown.
You can't turn that brown.
Why not?
You just can't.
Indigo.
So how do your eyes work?
Rose.
It can only.
Pink. Pink. Magenta. Magenta.
You can play.
She peed. Or does she pee? The fire doesn't burn, the wood does.
So I had wood burning high. Peace. Say something.
Good night. Look at the light out my face.
Say something.
Something.
And good night.
What?
Say good night.
Good night.
You feel a little better, Ray?
Say good night.
Bray was sick.
Good night, Brady.
Good night, Bray. Say good night, Mom.
Good night, Mom.
Say good night, Max. Max like, what? I'm going to bed? No. I'm playing. Say good night, Chelsea.
Good night, Chelsea.
Alright, we're out. Night.
I almost had here.
Here, we have this.
Give me the cookie.
Dude, you like put your finger in.
What?
You like put your finger
You can put your hand in fire for a little bit.
Oh,
Are you good? Did you swallow a bug?
no, the fire.